Kraken referral program is finally back, and in this video I'm just going to give you my own invite code which will give you 20 euros paid in Bitcoin completely for free. So this is very easy. I will leave the link in the description below so you can create an account with that link, or if you are on the sign up process you can also paste my invite code and apply it. So this way you can earn 20 euros for you and for me as well, so we both will get 20 euros each. This is very easy, it only takes a few seconds. Just use the link or paste the code. I will leave both things on the description below. And to get the money you just need to sign up, so create an account, deposit 100 euros and trade them in crypto in the first 30 days of your account. So basically trading them can be just converting them from one currency to another, and this way we both will earn 20 euros. As you can see, the rewards here will be paid in Bitcoin, and you can also keep inviting new friends to get up to 200 euros. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.